These chairs made from cork are durable, lightweight and environmentally friendly. Simple and versatile, cork has become a favorite choice for furniture designers. Made from 100% recycled plastic, this flame-inspired bed is quite a novelty. Inspired by pebbles on a beach for the visual aspect, this chair is very soft and comfortable. The interior frame is made from metal with memory foam used for the cushion shapes. This classic car sofa is a stunning novelty piece of furniture. Not only is it a unique item, but it is also very practical for storage. The trunk on the back can be removed, and the roof opens up to a set of handy storage compartments. Made from beautifully crafted curved wood, this chair is a true masterpiece that is both stunning to look at and comfortable to sit in. Made from beautifully crafted bamboo, this Japanese-inspired design also features padded, faux leather rims. The cushion is also padded and covered with high-quality cotton fabric. This stunning, wooden sofa features intricate carvings on both sides, with padded leather used for the seat, lining, and cushions. Something a little different here. Inspired by a bunch of grapes, this chair is covered with a purple, faux leather lining. The grapes are made from memory foam. This futuristic-looking rocking chair doesn't actually rock like a traditional rocking chair. The lower part of the chair is made from an extremely strong, but flexible rubber. This allows you to move and sway in any direction. The main body of this rocking chair is made from a fiberglass mold, coated with foam, and sat on two wooden rocking feet. This Japanese fan-inspired bed is made from a wooden frame with intricate carvings and carefully fitted, curved wood panels. The feather-like pieces are made from backlit, translucent perspex. These cute mushroom pod chairs come in both adult and child sizes. The mushroom top opens and closes, and the chairs can swivel 360 degrees. Soft and squishy foam on the outside, the core frame is made from shaped metal. This recline comfort chair is made from a combination of wood, rubberized moldings, and padded foam. The chair is flexible, bouncy, and extremely comfortable. This chocolate-inspired coffee table and stool set makes a nice feature piece for your room. Built around a steel and wire framework and fabric-covered padded foam, the chairs are springy, but the table is based on a more solid frame. This table and stool set is made from brushed brass. The stools are topped with a faux leather-covered foam padding, and the tabletop is made from wood. This table and chairs set is made from PVC-coated cork. Fabric foam padding is used for the chairs. These materials are very strong, lightweight, and durable. This coffee table is made from a combination of brushed steel and brass. The design is influenced by Mari art, and will make a great feature piece for your home.
Hi there! Of course you know that this furniture is not real, just like me, but it could be. The prompts for these designs, which are in the description below, were created by a human and sent to an AI image generator. The generated images were then described by a human and fed to a different AI for the voiceovers. The next step will require a human to render these designs in 3D. Could you do that? I would love to see that. The 3D renders could be used in virtual worlds such as the metaverse, but of course the models would need to be manufactured if these were to exist in the real world. Do you have the skills and resources to actually make these designs a reality? That would be amazing. Thank you for watching, and I wish you well whatever world you are in.